Good morning. Grab your coffee. We've got something interesting today. Windows 11 is finally fixing one of the most annoying problems power users have dealt with for years, the driver downgrade loop. You know, that thing where you install the newest NVIDIA or AMD or Intel GPU driver and Windows Update decides, nope, there's an older OEM driver instead. Yeah, that nonsense. Microsoft is finally ditching the old hardware, targeting systems, and moving to a simpler model. The big change is this. Windows updates will stop overriding your newer manual GPU installs. If you install a newer driver yourself, Windows will respect it. Honestly, this should have happened years ago. Creators complained, IT people complained, everyone complained. Most of us just learned to work around it with hacks and group policies. But here's the twist. Microsoft is doing this because they need a stable GPU driver for their big AI push in 2026, Copilot AI, PCs, GPU accelerated features. They can't have Windows randomly downgrading drivers anymore. So, yeah, it's a great fix, but it's too late. Still, I'll take the late fix over no fix. That's the story. So, what do you think? Too little too late? Or finally a win for Windows users? Drop your thoughts below while you sip morning coffee. And we'll see you again.